Seasons change. Our roads were lined with adventure, mountains and summer in the hills. Those hazy days I do remember. We were running still. Had the whole